Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can get your funds released early so you're not waiting days or even weeks to get paid. eBay puts your payments on hold, usually if you're a new seller, haven't sold in a while, or there's a high risk item involved. It's part of their policy to protect buyers, but yeah, it can slow down your cash flow. First step is ship quickly, within 24 hours if you can. Use a tracked shipping method like USPS, UPS, or FedEx. Once the tracking shows delivered, eBay will often release your funds within 24 to 48 hours. Also, ask your buyer nicely to leave positive feedback once they receive the item. Sometimes eBay releases your money immediately after feedback is posted, especially if it's a verified delivery. The moment you ship, go to your order page and upload the tracking number. Don't wait. The clock for early release usually starts when tracking is confirmed by the carrier, not when you mark it as shipped. If you're new, eBay typically watches your first 5 to 25 sales. The more on time deliveries and good reviews you rack up, the quicker your funds will stop getting held altogether. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye.